Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on ApeCoin. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that ApeCoin has recently broken out a very huge falling wedge pattern on a 7 days time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared a few hours ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live chart, this is the live weekly time frame chart, by the way. And you can see that after the breakout, the pricing is still moving at this previous resistance of the wedge and moving towards this next long-term resistance zone that starts from $1 and goes to $1.20. It had been previously working as a support zone here, and for several weeks a month, it has been working as a support zone here. And after the breakdown, it is now flipped into a resistance zone. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakdown, for a few days, the pricing has been trying to break out this resistance zone, but could not break it out, and now it is again drop down, and now recently we have finally broken out the resistance of this wedge. There was another bullish reversal move that it formed on the daily time frame chart, and I could not highlight that move in my previous videos, and that was an inverse head and shoulder pattern. This was the left shoulder and the head, and now it has also completed the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And while it has broken out this very big wedge, at the same time it has also broken out the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. And in today's video, we will also analyze this inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Ethereum named services, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can watch the complete trade signal, like this, the buying zone and sell target zone and stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of ApeCoin. And first of all, let me to show you this daily time frame chart. And here you can see that the price line has also completed this inverse head and shoulder pattern as well that I could not highlight in my previous videos. And in fact, it has broken out this neckline of the inverse head and shoulder pattern. This downtrend line resistance is also breaking at the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And the resistance of the bigger falling wedge pattern is also breaking as a neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. But after the breakout, there is also a bearish divergence flashed on this daily time frame chart at the price line formed this high here, and the next high it has formed higher than the previous one. And if we take a look at the stochastic oscillator, then you can see that it is not able to do so, and so far it is forming a lower high than the previous one and also enter the overbought zone as well. Therefore, still there is a probability that before the next move to the outside, the price may retest the previous resistance or neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern as a support, and then after retesting this support, the price may gear up to hit the target of this inverse head and shoulder pattern and the target for the breakout from this very big falling wedge pattern as well. And you can see that first we now I'm switched to the weekly time frame chart, and you can see that for the past several weeks, a months, the price end was not able to break out this downtrend line resistance. And after the breakout from this resistance, the price end read the resistance of this falling wedge pattern and broke out this falling wedge pattern. And I've been telling you that as soon as it breaks out this resistance, then soon it can also break out this bigger falling wedge pattern as well. Now, if you take a look at the targets, then target for the breakout from this inverse head and shoulder pattern can be as per this measurement. If I place a measurement tool from this low to here to the neckline, that target can be approximately at this long-term resistance of $1.20. And by the way, from $1 to $1.20, and I've been telling you, is a quite long-term resistance zone that had been previously breaking as support zone here for several weeks or months, and now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a strong resistance zone. Therefore, in order to start a big move from here, we will still need to break out this resistance zone. And the technical target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between $28 to $30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.